Hi and welcome to oceanai. Today I just want to have a look at a few markets that are a bit interesting. A few turn points coming up that we can take advantage of. Firstly, just look at the S&P here. So we completed this ABCD down into the 38% here. And now we've had a bit of a rally and it's just moving along nicely. So what we have, so we had that drop last night at the open, and we've had a rally and then a pullback, then a rally and a pullback, and we're just making higher lows. So this has given us the 135 pattern into here. So looking for more of a move higher. But if we do come down and take out this low here, then we could be looking at something a bit more serious to the downside. But firstly, looking for more upside. If we just look at the AI here, this is sort of the critical turn point for the day. It'll be around 8 o'clock, which is half an hour just before the US market open. This will be critical to where we are. If we're up here, then we might get a sell-off and then a rally. Otherwise, if we are down into this time, then that could be the rally for the day. So just keep an eye out for this one, and yeah, we'll go from there. If we go to the longer term, got the hourly chart here. So we completed the ABCD down that's been going through since the start of the year. Now we're looking higher. I think I've posted other ones what we're looking for. Looking for a possible 135 from the top, but just going into this rally at the moment. If we have a look at it, through a bit of an Elliott look, you've got a 1 and a 2, then a strong leg for a 3, and then a 4, and then moving up for a 5. So I was looking for about that 42.30, 42.50 area, something like that. If we can get that move up, and that means we've got two options from there. We will either, let's bring this in a bit. So we get a run up here today, tomorrow. We'll either get something like this, then a rally up into here, and then sell from there. That would complete our 4 hour. There'd be that 135 pattern there. And that would be an A, B, C, D into that level as well. So if we can get that, then that's where we want to be short. The other option is that this is a major low, and this first run up, pull back, and then we go straight through here and we take out these highs and head up towards 5,000, 5,200. So this is the next critical part for the next day or two. Getting up into here. If we get up into there, then we'll look for that sell-off, then rally from there. What else we got? So we go over to the gold. Looking at the gold here, we had that ABCD down in the gold, finishing yesterday, and now we've had a rally off that low. So that rally so far might be back to through the 61%. Through the 61% from there. If we take it from the high, 61% would be up around that 1853. So we're coming into a turn point as well. Get down to 15. So around 3 o'clock this afternoon, so roughly just over an hour. We can get a high into something around 1853, 1856 could be a place for a short-term sell. That would give us, yeah, that one there. That will give us this ABCD up into 1856, and then looking for a pullback from there. If you didn't want to sell it and you wanted to look for the next rally, we'd want to look for it to come down into here. That would be the place to get it. So if we got, well, it's just to finish up into here, and then we get this rally correction down into here, back down to 1840, something like that, 1838, and that'll be the place to go long for the next run up. So yeah, that's the gold market today with the AI, just the one turn point. So we'll see if we get a rally into there. Could be a place to sell. Keep an eye on that one. We go over to the oil. So the oil yesterday, looking at that 382, had a nice 100-point sell off to start with, and then it ripped back higher, and yeah, it took me out for nothing. So that was a bit unfortunate. I was looking for that to move down, keep going, but we got that last spike up into the 61%, and then we had that first pullback there, and we've completed the ABCD pattern down now. So not a lot to do with the oil now. What we can look for though is if it's going to continue to be bearish, would be that 382 in here around 1480, 114.80 or 115, something like that. If we can get something like that into that time, which is, what's that? That's 7:30 tonight. So keep an eye out for the oil around the 382 here, for potential more selling. Right, what else we got? Okay, so this is the pound. Just looking over the last few days, just with the AI. It's been running quite nice. So over here we had this low here, worked well, and then we got that run up there. This one wasn't really a high, so couldn't count that, but it did run down. If we look at yesterday's, same thing, picked a high in here. We had a sell-off and then rally again into this change in trend window, and then we got that sell-off from there. So a couple of good things with the pound yesterday. And if we go over to today looking for more later on, so around 7:30 again through till 10:30. If we can get a move up into here, then we might get more selling. That would be, so if we just go off this high, so we're looking at this 50 to 60% window up here. If we can get something in there, pull back a bit, and then rally up into here, that could be a place to sell. That's the pound. What else we got? The euro. Euro is looking similar. It's completed a ABCD down, so looking for a rally into 7:30 again. If we can get that up there, that would create that 135 pattern again as well, into that 50 to 60% area, around 107, sort of 107.20. See if we could bring in more selling on that. That would be the place to look. I'll post all these charts shortly. Just do a video first. That'll do for that. What else we got? Nope, not that one. We've covered that one. Covered the oil. Crypto. Looking for a rally into 3 o'clock here as well to get more selling. Yeah, that's about it for now. So just a quick update on where we are in the market with a few things. I'll post all these charts as well, so you can have a look at them and mark the times for yourself. Yeah, so that's it for now. Hope this helps. Thanks for tuning in. Cheers.